Let's study the combustion of carbon compounds and understand the nature of flames through an activity. For this, we have taken wood, ethanol, camphor and naphthalene. Take a wood piece using tongs and burn it. What will you observe? You observe that yellow flame with soot collection on metal board. Take ethanol in a spoon and burn it. You can see the blue flame without soot. Similarly, burn camphor and naphthalene and observe the nature of flame. From this activity, we can conclude that burning carbon compounds produces yellow flame with soot if compounds are either unsaturated or burnt incompletely, and it produces clean blue flame if compounds are either saturated or burnt completely.